Hello guys! In this video, pag-uusapan natin si Ayala Land's Real Estate Investment Trust or itong si AREIT. Worth it bang mag-invest kay AREIT or not? Kung isa ka sa mga sumusubaybay kay AREIT and yet still undecided whether to avail their IPO offering, watch this video till the end because we will be giving you more insights about AREIT which will help you make that final decision about this investment vehicle. So welcome guys in our YouTube channel where we provide videos regarding the Philippine stock market. At ngayon nga, pag-uusapan natin si Ayala Land's Real Estate Investment Trust or itong si AREIT. Pero bagong lahat, let us define what is REIT. By definition, a Real Estate Investment Trust or REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estates such as apartments, offices, malls, warehouses, and hotels. REITs pool the capital of numerous investors. This makes it possible for individual investors to earn dividends from real estate investments without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties themselves. And finally, the Philippines will have its first REIT as the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC on July 9 approved the listing of Ayala Land's REIT or AREIT. Yes! AREIT is a subsidiary of Ayala Land that owns 3 commercial properties in Makati City, namely Solaris 1, Ayala North Exchange, and McKinley Exchange. AREIT would offer 502.57 million shares with an over-allotment option of 45.69 million shares. Look at our pie chart. AREIT would issue 47.86 million common shares as a primary offer, which will be available through IPOs, while Ayala Land would issue 409.02 million shares as secondary offering and will be available during the listing date. Proceeds from the primary offer would be used to acquire Teleperformance Cebu, and those from the secondary offer would be reinvested by Ayala Land in local real estate projects. The offer period, take note of this, is from July 27 to August 3, and its target listing is on August 13. What makes AREIT an attractive investment? First, all of its assets are office buildings and 59% of its tenants belong to the business process outsourcing or BPO industry. Second, AREIT also enjoys a stable cash flow given the high occupancy rate of its projects and the lengthy lease contract of its tenants. Solaris 1 and Ayala North Exchange are fully leased out while McKinley Exchange is 98.4% occupied, which only shows that these assets are really profitable at its current state. The length of its office lease contracts ranges from 5 to 10 years, with built-in annual escalation of 3% to 10%. Matagal-tagal din yung mga existing contracts ni AREIT at meron pang annual increase na 3 to 10% annually. What are the risks involved naman? According to PAGCOR, 2 Philippine offshore gaming operator or POGO licenses and 13 service providers offering call center operations recently left the Philippines due to unresolved disputes with tax authorities. Although this issue does not directly affect REIT because they don't have POGO tenants naman, the price of renting out will decrease. Moreover, REIT does not own the land where its buildings are constructed. So hindi pag-aari ni REIT yung mga lupa na kinatatayuan ng mga commercial buildings nito. Pero the chances of these lands being sold to another company is minimal considering that it is owned by Ayala Land Incorporated, which is the parent company of REIT. At magkano naman ang IPO price ni REIT? The country's first real estate investment trust has set its initial public offering price at 27 pesos a share. How about expected dividend yield? Sa Inquirer column ni Ms. April Tan, as for her, kung ang magiging IPO price ni REIT is 30.05 pesos per share, then the dividend yield would be 4.6 this year and 4.9 next year. That since we already know that the final IPO price ni REIT is 27 apiece, we could expect a dividend yield which is a little higher than 4.6 this year and 4.9 next year. Allow me to share my view about REIT investing. Disclaimer lang guys, don't take this video as a recommendation to buy REIT. This is my personal view and you should do your own due diligence before buying this investment vehicle. Okay, for me, REIT investing is a yes for 3 reasons. First, because of its dividend yield. As required by the REIT Act of 2009, REITs in the Philippines are required to distribute 90% of distributable income as dividends to shareholders every year. So either tumaas or bumaba yung price ni REIT in the stock market, you would still get a dividend for your investment. Second reason is liquidity. Compared to actual real estate, REITs are more liquid because they are traded in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Just like stocks, REITs can be easily bought and sold in the PSE with a known market price at any time. Kung meron na po kayong nabiling real estate property in the Philippines, you might as well aware of the hassle it brings to acquire a property. Andyan po yung ang dami nating babayaran ng taxes at ang dami nating pagdadaan ng mga government agencies. But REITs can be easily bought and sold in the PSE with a known market price at any time. Number 3 reason is portfolio diversification. REIT is a brand new investment vehicle in the Philippines offering equity ownership in an income-generating real estate. It can help diversify your portfolio. That's it guys for today's video. At kung meron kang natutuhan sa video ito, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell button para lagi kang updated. Thank you for watching. God bless.